Soren here from YOOthemepro.com. In this video I am going to quickly demonstrate Linkbox, which had quite a lot of updates since we released it. So what is Linkbox? It's a quite simple tool for YOOtheme. It's available for Joomla and WordPress. But it makes it possible to create these boxes of links, you know, with a theme. This is something we needed for our clients that are in government. So for example, you know, sites like these, you know, where you have, this is Swedish now, but you know, education and schools, you know, they kind of connect these kind of things different. We can check London website here, you know, they usually have these kind of large categories, and a problem with those to make a nice looking layout is that some categories have lots of links, lots of items, you know, and some have less items. But with this you can have a link box like this and show only 5 and then hide the rest, but display it with a number like this, so you can go to all of this. I think it's fairly easy to understand. Let's take a look at the back end here of YOOtheme. As you can see here, a link box here. It has the items like this, so there's many items. There's 10 items, but we only show 5, and this is a parameter you have here, display count. So you know, I can do 3, or I can do 7 or whatever here, and you see it's gonna show them like this. Of course, these items can be dynamic, so you know, you can connect these to, for example, a menu, you know, so you get kind of a so it automatically populates a menu, you know. That's the most powerful part of this, really. You know, you hook it up to your menu system in Joomla or WordPress, and it's gonna populate everything automatically. Same with the title block, you know, this can be a parent dynamic. So you have a parent menu item and then sub menu items underneath. And that way, you know, you can control the whole thing through the backend, you know, like you just use your regular WordPress or Joomla CMS and let your clients add links and so on to the different categories, and it will populate here. Image too, you know, you can, in Joomla at least, you can connect this to dynamic menu item, and there is an image field in menu items. So you can have a parent menu items with a title and an image, and you can dynamically hook these up, you know. So if the client or the webmaster want to change the image, they just change in the menu item, so on. So you have everything really really seamless for the CMS, you know, and just have a nice way of displaying like this. The view all, you know, that's the link in the end here. You have parameters for that, you know, you can set a special icon or something like that. And also this can be dynamic. So you usually what you want to do is connect the view all, this link, and the title and the image, you know, the links, they go to a parent menu item, you know, so they go to the same place. And then these are kind of quick links to, you know, some of the sub menu items there. I hope this explains. It's a very simple thing, but there is no real way of doing this, you know, with grids, etc. You know, this makes it very easy to set up. This is something that we come across quite a number of times as we build websites, especially again for the public sector, government type websites, schools and so on. You know, they want to structure their website like this. Yeah, I think that was all. You find it on extensions.joomlapro.com. Thank you.